In this question, we're going to use rational expressions and rational equations to solve it. It says Martha can rake the leaves in her yard in 6 hours. Her brother can do the job in 7 hours. How long will it take them to do the job working together? So again, the first thing I want to do is define my variable. This question asks me how long. So I'm looking for time. So my variable will be t, and it's going to equal the number of hours to complete the job. Okay? So since Martha can rake the leaves in her yard in 6 hours, then that means each hour she gets 1/6 of the job done. Okay? If it takes her 6 hours to do the whole job, then each hour she gets 1/6 of the job done. So how much of the job can Martha do in t hours? Okay. Well, let's say it was 1 hour. In 1 hour, she'd get 1/6 of the job done. In 2 hours, she'd get 2/6 of the job done. In 3 hours, she'd get 3/6 of the job done. In t hours, she's going to get t over 6. Or you could write this as 1/6 t of the job done. Okay, that's the same expression. You can write it either way. Okay. Similarly, her brother, who can do the job in 7 hours, that means each hour he does 1/7 of the job. Okay. So we're going to write this as plus t over 7. All right. So we're trying to figure out how many hours or what is t so that at the end of it we can have one whole job done. Okay, we want the job to be completed. So this is the portion, t over 6 is the portion of the job that Martha can do. T over 7 is the portion that her brother can do. We're going to put them together or to work together to get one whole job done. And we've set up an equation that will give us the answer to that. So to solve this equation, I'm going to multiply both sides by my least common denominator, which in this case is 42. So if I multiply by 42 on the left and also on the right, of course I'll distribute that 42 to each term. So I've got two terms on the left. So we get 42 times t over 6 plus 42 times t over 7 and it's going to be equal to 42. Okay, of course, since we chose the least common denominator, it's going to cancel things out for us. So the 6 cancels with the 42, we're left with 7. The 7 cancels with the 42, we're left with 6. So we get 7t plus 6t equals 42, or 13t equals 42. So to find t, we'll say t equals 42 divided by 13. If we do that on our calculator, I get 3.23. So we'll say it's going to take them approximately 3.23 hours to complete the job.